Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to transfer your domain from Bluehost to Namecheap. Let's get started. First, go to Bluehost and log in your account. This action will lead you to your dashboard where you will click on Domains from the left panel. In this new page, look for the domain you want to transfer, then click on the section Transfer or Move Domain. In here, make sure that the toggle next to Domain Locked is disabled. Then click on Request Auth Code down here. Bluehost will provide a code for you, which you will copy. In this next page, click on this small checkbox right here, then click on Continue Transfer. Next, go to Namecheap and log in your account. This action will lead you to your dashboard where you will click on Domains from the navigation menu. Then click on Domain Transfer from the drop-down. In this new tab, type your domain name in this field, then click on Transfer at the far right. In this next page, make sure that the box next to Domain Contact Information is checked. Then in this field down here, paste the code Bluehost provided for you, then click on Verify Auth Code. This green check will appear if the verification was successful. Lastly, click on Add to Cart down here and just follow the checkout process to pay for your domain. And that is how you can transfer your domain from Bluehost to Namecheap. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.